Hi everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about how to check a number is even number or not. A simple one. When we can say that the number is even. When the number is divisible by 2 is called even number. See, suppose if I take the number is 4. When you divide with a 2, 2 times 4, remainder is 0. Suppose when you divide 5 with a 2, 2 times 4, remainder is 1. What is the meaning? When the remainder is 0, when nothing left, we can say that it's divisible. When remainder is non-zero, it's not divisible. So, the logic is based on remainder operator. I'm just taking one number. Here, what is the number? You can give any number. Either 4 or 5. Okay, that logic should applicable to every number. If the number is divisible, see condition based on the remainder. So remainder we have to use. The given number, when you divide with a 2, when the remainder is equal to 0, yes, this is even number. So how can we write the condition? If the number equal to 0, then it's a even number. Simply, I'm just writing system.out.println. It's a even number. Else, not even number. Or odd number, we can write. This is the simple way of checking the given number is even number or not. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel.